Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andy Afolabi. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a jumping ring, S hook and a ring hanger. So let's get on the working table. So to make this, you need your wire. Depends on how thick you want your wire to be. You need your multi-purpose plier. You need your flush cutter. Flush cutter, a cutter that cuts your wire smoothly on a level ground. That is why it's called flush. So you need a very sharp cutter so that your jumping ring will have a smooth edge. So you take your plier this way, you hold the wire between the two mouths of the nose plier of the multi-purpose plier, then you start wrapping the wire round, maneuvering with your hand, not too tight, not too loose. Just go on this way, go on, maneuver with your hand, go on wrapping, yeah, it's filled. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to take it out and cut. See the way it's cutting? See it? Cut. Then I'm going to start cutting from where the cutting is. So I'm going to cut it line by line. You see what I make? You see my wire that is wrapped? So I'm going to cut it line by line. I'm going to put the cutter on the wire and cut it line by line this way. This way. This way. This way. This way. Yeah. So these are my jumping rings. You can use your jumping ring to connect your earring holder. You can use it to connect your necklace. You can use it to connect your bead together. You can see it. These are jumping rings, and you can make whatever size you want. This is a bigger size of jumping ring. These are bigger size. These are jumping rings. Jumping rings. This is one of the use. This is one of the use of jumping ring. I use jumping ring to connect the earring hanger to the lobe of the bead. You can see it. This jumping ring. So I'm going to show you how to make an S hook. S hook. So I'm going to smoothen up the edge of my wire. I'm going to use my round nose plier. The same way, I'm going to hold the wire in between the mouth of the nose plier. Turn it this way, make a loop, then hold it in this direction and turn it towards me all the way, all the way, all the way, this way. So now I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to use my flat nose plier and arrange it and flatten it gently, such a way that my wire will not have a dent. So this is an S hook. This is S hook. This is S hook. So I'm going to go through it again. Flat cut your wire. Grab the edge of your wire. Turn it in the opposite direction until the edge meets with the body of the wire. This way. Then let go. Use the plier. Hold it this way and turn it towards you all the way. This way. Then you cut it this direction and use your flat nose plier and flatten it. This is the S hook. S hook. You use it to connect. It serves the same purpose as jumping ring. You can see this is S hook I used to connect the ring with the bead. That is S hook. So now ring hanger. Ring hanger. I use flush cutter. Cut my wire. Make a loop, just as if I want to make S hook all the way until the edge meets with the body of this wire. Then I'll take my plier, round nose plier, grab it as if I'm making S hook, but this time around I'll put it where the nose plier is getting a little bit fatter, so that I will have more space. So now I'll use my hand and the plier, both hands, in this direction. I'll flatten the wire and make a press this way. So I'll now cut it off. So this is a ring hanger. This is a ring hanger. This is what I use to hang this earring. Earring hanger. If you don't have money to buy a ring top, you have wire, you can use wire and make your earring hanger. So let's go over it one more time. This is your wire. This is your nose plier. You do as if you are making S hook. You go all the way. Then you hold your plier in this direction. Then you use your hand to press. As you are pressing the nose plier. When they meet, when this loop and this wire meet, you press your hand this way. Take it out and cut it out. So this is a ring hanger. A ring hanger. You use it to hang a ring. A ring hanger. So we've made a ring hanger. We've made S hook. A ring hanger, S hook, and we make jumping rings. So these are accessories, findings that help you in beading process. So if you find this video useful in one way or the other, please share, subscribe to my channel for more video, and like. So Take care of yourself. Keep safe. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.